Namaste children. Now you have finished with the outline. Now part 2 has started. Today we are going to start your name coloring with a beautiful way. Each letter we are going to use the two colors. One shade is light and one shade is dark. Now it's your turn which color you are taking. Use lemon yellow. It's a light and bright. Better please clean your color and do it. Fill up the color perfectly. You are not going outside. Ultimate, you are coloring your own name. Keep in your mind, you are not going to spoil your name, right? So do it very nicely. Half part, then light, then light, then light and light. Try to merge with the deep yellow, touching border to border, no going outside. Try to fill up the color perfectly, no scribbling. Every time move your hand according to the shape. Now this is a rectangle standing, so I am going vertical, the standing position. Now here is a curve, so I will move my hand with the curve. Fill up the color perfectly. Now the next color I will use orange and red. Clean your color perfectly. Just check you don't have any dark mark on it. Orange color is the light, so I've used on the top. Same way, after half part is a light. Up again is a dark. I am moving my hand according to the shape. You can see, touch to the border line perfectly. Fill up the color perfectly. No white space. Mix the color. Now you can see each alphabet is with a double line, right? So I am not going to color this portion. This is my A. Hope you understand. Mix the color perfectly. Again overlap. Now I'm going to use a blue, light blue and the Persian blue. Light blue, First border line, fill up the color inside. Move your hand according to the shape. Color till only the half part again as usual. Light and light. Yes. Now mix with the Persian blue. First do the border line. After border line, if your color breaks, no need to worry. You again start your work. If the color coming outside, no need to worry. Just blow and remove. No need to touch on it. Again mix the color dark blue and light blue. So today you have learned the two color shading, dark color and light color, and create your name with a beautiful way. Now we are going to use a maroon and light green, maroon and pink. First border line, see how I'm moving my hands. If it's any rectangle, vertical position, go up and down. You're not going outside. Fill up the color perfectly. After coloring, it will look amazing way. Try to mix all the colors perfectly. So this is the way we have complete the name. Your own name, again I repeat, the first letter capital, big size, rest and small, half part, two colors, light color, dark color, complete your work. You have a freedom to use any color on the first. If my favorite color is violet, you want to start your name with the violet, not an issue. You can draw and color very nicely. Have a nice day, have a great day. Love you parents, you have done for me.